is how it's going to work, okay? We're going to start by figuring out how to solve this problem, okay? First off, Titus, I need you to put your pencils down, sir. Thank you, okay? Do I have someone who would like to read our task, please? Emma, go ahead and read it, please. Nice big voice, turn it in. So notice, this is a two-step word problem. Have you guys done two-step word problems yet? Done a couple, right? So one of the first things, let's break down what we need to figure out, okay? I can smell them too. First, what's the first thing we need to figure out? I wrote it up here on the board, Titus. With that problem, what's the first thing we need to figure out? That is, we do, yes, you're right, we do want to do that. But first, what's the very first thing? Yeah, that's basically it. What I want to show you, though, is we're going to do it in a couple of steps. First thing I want to have you do, though, is talk to people at your table. I'm going to give you a minute. Figure out how you would solve this, okay? So let's try. Penny, why don't you come over here, talk to these guys, and I'm going to give you 1 minute. So here's a couple of hints. We want to figure out how many donuts does she have left at the end of the day. That's the first part. Second part, how much money did she make? And that was Titus's answer. So you have 1 minute, hold on Max, 1 minute to talk amongst yourselves. Go. Figure out how would you figure that out. All right, go ahead. Max, what do you like think? She's recording for me. She's recording for me. So how would we figure this out? All right, Christy has donuts. What would be the first thing we do? Okay, that's okay. I want to find out how you think you're going to figure this out. Okay, so we got some ideas. All right, that's about a minute. All right, raise your hand if you want to share out what would be the first thing that we're going to do. Anybody? What's the first thing we would do? Paisley, go.
We would add the money.
We would add what?
We would add it up.
Add up what? What's the first thing? So here's a little hint for you. Let's see if we can solve this together. How many donuts does Christy have left at the end of the day? Emery.
Yeah, I thought we were doing like how much money was on it.
We are, but it's going to take us 2 steps to get there. Okay. So here is our first step. How many donuts? In fact, let's solve this together. How many donuts does she have at the end of the day? So she has, if a box had 18 donuts total, and Christy sold all of them but 3 donuts. How many donuts does she have left, Titus? Somebody know? Jade, how many does she have left? All right, Jade gave us the first answer. How did you get that, Jade? 18 donuts minus 3, because that was the number of donuts that she sold all of them but these 3. So then would she have 15 left, or what, is that too many? If she sold all of the donuts.
It's gonna be what's underneath 18.
Well, that's going to be, if we do 18 minus 3, that's going to be 15 donuts. But 3 donuts are so it's telling us she sold them all but 3.
Yeah, so it's 3 donuts.
So,
oh wait.
What's the answer, Jade? It kind of gives us the answer. Oh, got had, oh, I'm sorry. So 15 donuts is how many she sold, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now this is what I want you to do is, I'm gonna excuse you by table. You are going to go and get your whiteboard and a pencil, and that's where we're gonna do our math. Your whiteboard and a pen, whiteboard and a pen, all right? You three, go to your box, go get your whiteboard and a pen. No, Emery, not yet. I'm doing it by table, bud. Whiteboard and a pen. And yes.
And the razor.
Okay, you're gonna stay right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get our things that we're gonna use. Okay, go ahead, next table, Tobias, Azzy, Emery, go get your whiteboards, please, and pen. Hi, get your whiteboard and pen, please. Whiteboard and a pen. All right, you two, go to whiteboard and pen, let's get back down.
Both of you stop. What's our name?
Please come sit back down. Thank you, Azzy. Max, Blake, go ahead. Casey, Tenley. All right, you guys go get your whiteboards and sit back down, please. Write it down when you're ready. She's videotaping for me. Here we go. Go ahead and get your whiteboards and pens. Whiteboard and pen. Whiteboard and pen. No, you're good. Here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is I want to find out, I want to see how you guys figure out how to solve this. Inside this cup, can everybody back to chairs, please, in 3, in 2, and 1. Put your left glass away, please. Here we go. I have inside these cups, there are many donuts inside here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Your job is just, if you need to use these to figure out how many donuts she has, how many donuts she sold, and how much money she made. Couple of ideas. Tell me, does somebody have ideas? Please don't interrupt when I'm talking. All right, so, anybody have an idea of how we're going to figure out how much money she made, Paisley?
Find the many donuts in there.
No, what would be a math thing that we would do to figure out? I bet you Theo knows. What would we do, buddy? You don't know? You're super math man. All right, okay, go ahead, Joe. So let's go ahead. That's going to be our next step. If you need to use these, you can. They're little Cheerios. Don't eat them because they will be kind of gross, all right? But if you want to use these to figure out how to solve the problem, you can do that. In the meantime, go ahead and draw on your whiteboard. If you have a couple of them, I want that work. Come show it, have me take a look at it, and we're going to show it up on the board, on the dot cam. Here you go. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. And talk to you. We're going to figure out the problem. You're going to talk to your friends about how you're going to solve the problem. There we go. If you need them, don't eat them. You're going to get a grilled donut at the end.
Really? At the end?
The donuts, the Cheerios I'm handing you, don't eat them. You will get a real donut at the end. Okay? But your job is to figure out how to do the math. All right? Hold on a second. Stop it. Put it down. Just wait. Okay? Yes, Emma. I know you're getting them again today. But I'm going to give you 5 minutes to solve the problem. Here we go. You guys all have donuts. You have donuts. Blake, there you go. You may not even need 5 minutes. I know. Hold on. Just wait for me, okay? You guys need these? Let's see. All right, so I'm going to need you to actually, okay, solve the problem. Okay, try not to eat them. Henry, what's up, friend? Just for reasons. Okay? All right, so do me a favor. Okay, Emma, I can't read that, friend. So, you're going to use your donuts. Where'd Penny go? Oh, she went to get water. All right, Blake. All right, let's see. Okay, you got your answer. You got your answers. Okay, so then what's next?
How many money?
Yeah, that's how do you figure that out?
That's 15
she doesn't have 15 donuts left. How many does she actually have left? No, you're just getting No. So let's think about this. So let's see. So the question, okay? Yeah, yes, that's right so far. But what? Let's see. So, but remember, quick reminder. We need to put a $sign in front of how much money she made. Okay? So whatever the answer is, do you know how to draw a $sign, Titus? It looks like this. It's an S with two lines going through like that. So you're going to put that in front of your answer.
Can't there be one?
You can do one, yeah. But that's going to be in front of your answer.
I feel bad for the people that are outside.
All right, so finish your math for me. All right, let's see what you got, all right? So make sure you put a $sign in front of your answer.
I don't know how it's
I just drew it on the board, right there. Looks just like this. Yes, ma'am. You can do whatever you want to do. You saw it however you want to. All right. Okay, so you want this to go in front. All right, so go ahead, finish your time. Okay, we got about 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. All right, so you just have to figure that out. Let's see. We saved $45, I know. But technically, this goes technically, though, that's where it's supposed to go. You're right, it does not make sense. But you always want it in front. All right. 1 minute left. Oh, good job, Penny. Keep going. There should be 18 Cheerios. Oh, you need it for it. I see. Gotcha. You're right, I didn't give you enough. You're right, I didn't give you guys enough. But you figure it out. Super math. All right, cool. All right, and Max, did you? Oh, you didn't get a chance to do this yet, huh? All right, have a seat, bud. Okay, let's see. Max. Okay, so we figured out. Raise your hand if you are done. Raise your hand if you're done. Azzy's done. Oh, Azzy, you want to put, remember, good job. You want to put a $sign in front of your answer. Be sure to put a $sign. Good job. Good job, Blake. In fact, Blake is going to have you come up.
Why is there 11 in my...
What?
Why is there 11 in my box?
I don't know. Can you use this anyway? Will you be okay? Why can't you? Why?
Because it's someone else.
I know, but somebody's not using it. All right. Just put it right here in front of that number for me, please. Okay. Beep, beep, beep. Excellent. So I would like to, let's go ahead and put your Cheerios down. Okay. I want to first, come on up here. When I call you up, you find it, Max? All right, come on up. Okay. Hold on a second. So when I'm going to have somebody come up and show us their work. Yeah, I think 3 times 15 equals. What's your answer there?
I don't care.
Okay, cool. And here's Asher. Okay. Let's see what Asher did. All right, Asher, I'm gonna take your donuts off, dude. Yeah, your little mini donuts. Okay. So I'm gonna show what Asher did with his answer. Okay. This is true. So look at what Asher did. Can you guys see it? Okay, I'm gonna turn sideways. All right, can everybody look up at the board?
Are those potatoes?
So no, this is Asher's answer, remember? How we did, you know how sometimes you can put dots? So Asher, let me know if I'm explaining this right. Or actually, you tell me, okay? So, yes, how you did it, you tell it to me and I'll write it on the board here. What's the first thing you did? You make 3 circles? So you have 15 dots here. So then you counted all of the dots themselves, and you came up with what number? What number did you come up with after? Oh my gosh, genius! 45. So we think that Chrissy earned $45. Did anybody else get that answer? Anybody else get that answer? Theo, will you bring your whiteboard up? We'll take a look at it. Come on up. And then you can tell me exactly what you did. All right, so Theo. So, how did you get 15? Joe told you, okay. And then, where did the number 3 come from? Joe told you that too. All right. So then how did you get this number? What did you do? Wow. Okay, so then you did 15 plus 15 plus 15 equals 45. Another way to figure out the answer. Nice work. All right, can I have Titus, bring yours up, please. Anybody else do class, raise your hand. Anybody else do the same method that Theo did? All right, oh, Titus, stay up here, bud. No. I want you to come up and tell me how you did this. Where did you get 15? Okay. And so the answer we came up with was what? So 15 is what number? 15 is what number?
I do not.
Oh,
I
okay.
just heard it from a conversation so I think he used that.
Okay. So you heard 15, and then where did 3 come from? You know, 3 came from the sky, from random from the sky. Okay. Then tell me this. How did you get 45?
These are just perfect.
You did and the math equation was 15 times 3. So how did you do that? Did you stack it? What did you do to do the math equation? You did the math in your head and you came up with $45. All right, good job. And did anybody else? All right, let's go ahead and have Tinley, bring yours up real quick. Oh, and then I want to see Azzy's. You did it. Beautiful. Hold on one second. All right, come on up, Tinley. Let's see what you did. Give me my $45. All right, here we go. Give me my money. All right, so then where did you get your 15?
So where I got my 15 was, so I knew that I knew the answer was going to be 45.
How's that? How did you know that?
Because if you count by 15 3 times.
So 15 plus 15?
Plus 15.
Plus 15, okay. And that equals? So 15 plus 15 equals how much? How much is 15 plus 15?
15 plus 15 is 25. 15, 24, 30.
Okay, so we got 30. Okay, and then, so that's 15 plus 15. And then what do you do with this last 15?
I plus it to 30. And that's how I got me answer 45.
And finally, Azzy, come on up, bring yours up here.
Can I go instead?
Yeah, Azzy, no, I want to, well, I'll come get it then.
Can I go
Just
instead?
hold on 1 second. I like the math that you're doing. Hold on a second. Oh, it's okay, yours is a little easier to read. All right, last one. Oh, this one's great. There's lots of pictures. Okay, Azzy's an artist, so it makes sense. Okay, Azzy. Oh, see, look at this. This is fantastic. So, Azzy, come up here for a second so I can ask you some questions. Okay, we'll answer from there. Okay, so where did you get the number 15? IDK?
That means I don't know.
I know. You don't know where you got the number 15? How about the number 3? Where did you get that? IDK? I know. So hold on a second. So yeah, I just want to find out your thinking behind it, Azzy. So then, Azzy, how did you, hold on 1 second. Shh. So, the number 18, where did that come from? You know where that came from.
The problem.
The problem, exactly. So then 15 came from what? What number is that from? No, what do you think, Emery?
First we subtracted 18 from 50. We subtracted 18 was 50, so we knew that we had 3 donuts left. Then after that, we times 15 by 3.
Okay, and so you multiplied. So it looks like Azzy stacked, and she came up with $45. Right, nicely done, and three donuts left. Nicely done. Yes, question. Sure, Penny, come on up. Penny, Paisley, come on up, Paisley, quickly. All right. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, we'll make sure we show that one. I'm just gonna hold this up here. So this is how Penny did it. Hi, everybody. This is how Paisley, the other P, Paisley did this. Oh, look at this. It's a lovely little picture. All right. So you did. Okay. So here is your. So tell me what you did actually.
I did.
Number. What are they called? Didn't you say it? Number what? Number bombs?
It's when I went there.
Yes.
Split them up. I split them up into 10 and 5.
Oh, wow. So you did that how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Excellent. Okay.
I added the 10s together to make 30.
Okay.
And I skipped from 5 by 5, 10, 15.
Okay.
And then I knew that 30 plus 15 equals 45.
Take this back. Excellent. Okay. So looks like what Max. You want me to show you yours? Come on up. Let's see Max's. You can explain to me what you did. Okay, or I'll double check for you. Oh, you kind of did the same kind of thing. So these are, why don't you come over here? Over on this side, okay. So where did you get number 15? No. Tell me where you got it. I need to know for my class. Where did you get the number 15? So you knew to draw 15 of these. How did you know that? Was it because we did the math up here on the board that we came up with 15? Oh, you saw hers first. Okay. And then 3. So then you put 3 in each of your 15. You want to see this one? Oh, thank you. Okay. And then you put 3 in each one of these. And then how did you come up with 45? So how did you do the math? Did you write it down or did you count your dots? How did you do that? So you got 45 dots. Nice. All right. Good work, friends. All right. So. Oh, sure. Come on up, Jackson. Let's just do one more. Excellent. All right, Jackson. Tell me. So. Jackson. So how did you get the number 15? No, I saw that. How did you get the number 15? That's not your answer. Yeah, that's not going to be a good answer. From where? From the work that we did? Okay, and then you multiplied times 3. Did you stack it? How did you get this number?
I added 15, I know that. So then I added another 15.
Nicely done, everybody. Okay, so good job, you guys. So what I've got next for you, go ahead and erase your whiteboards for me. Oh, if you didn't get it back, let me give it back to you. Whose is this? Here we go. Erase your whiteboard or flip it over. I've got one more thing to do so you can get your donuts. But you got to solve this next problem. Erase it. Put your Cheerios back into your cup, please, and leave it on your desk.
I never even used them.
Flip over. Oh, it's right here. Here you go, Azzy. Here you go, Azzy. So flip it over. I'll show you what the problem is. So to get your donut, Azzy, your chair, please. To get your donut, You must have completed this problem and show your work. Are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
Let me get out of this screen. Okay, here is. All right, I need you to quit. In 3, in 2, in 1. I hear voices going. Please stop. Shh. Jackson, please quit messing with that. Erase that and turn it over. Shh. Azzy, turn your eyeballs on me. Turn your eyeballs on me. Even if it's stink eyes, I don't care. Turn them around. Kenley, turn around. In 3, in 2, in 1. Eyeballs on me. Thank you. This is what's called an exit ticket, which means you must complete this problem before, you're not gonna get a hot dog. You must complete this problem before we go to recess, okay? Then you will get your donut. So here is the problem. I will read it to you. Emily bought hot dogs for each of her family members. Each hot dog costs $3. How much money would Emily need to buy hot dogs for 7 family members? And just write the answer on your whiteboard. Don't shout it out. Don't shout it out. I'm not going to answer that for you. You have to figure it out.
I figured it out.
You figured it out. You guys know it.
How?
You guys know it. I've
It's
seen
easy.
it. I've seen. Don't say it. And it's not necessarily easy for everybody. Okay, you can put that down. Hold up your whiteboard if you got it done. I don't want the answer. I want to see your work. I want to see your work.
Okay.
I want to see your work. Yep, good. That's not the answer. It's okay. Show me.
Okay.
Show me your board with the answer.
Got it.
Theo, good job. All right, show me your board. Show me your whiteboard. You can put them down, you guys. All right, Max, do yes. Let's see your answer. Good job. Let's see yours.
I've been doing by multiple occasions.
So you're on fire. Is what you're telling me.
I showed you.
You already showed me yours. Okay, that works.
Stop with the
Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa.
running.
Hey, Max. Let's see, buddy. Yeah, this it's driving me crazy if you can try to not be wrong. All right. All right. Very, very cool. This is what I need to have happen next. Raise your hand if I haven't seen your whiteboard.
21.
Let me see. Oh, hold it still. Okay, so no, are we doing addition, Max? Or should we be doing something else? So that is right for addition, but you need to do a different, you did, awesome. So I want to do a different equation for the answer. Let's see, you guys are good. You can draw on it. Hold on. All right, we'll make sure everybody got it. We're going to collect the Cheerios. All right. Penny's going to be collecting your Cheerio cups. Go ahead, Matt. Daxa. Let's see. I saw your answer. I saw your answer. All right. All right, excellent. Go ahead and clean it up. Once you are done, and I've seen you, wipe it off and put it back into your box. Penny and Daxon, thank you. Once I've checked your work, wipe off your whiteboard and put your whiteboard and your pen back into your baskets. Okay.
We're done.
I did some. All right, go ahead and put it back. Thank you, Titus. Thank you, Joe. Max, you got it. Good job. You fixed it. I did. That's